Rowan College of South Jersey offers a wide range of support services that focus on our students' emotional, psychological, and social well-being. Our licensed staff offer free and confidential mental health counseling and case management services to assist students with a variety of life stressors. Services are available on the Gloucester, Cumberland, and Rowan University campuses to all currently enrolled part-time and full-time students. If you are looking for more detailed information on any of the services available, please visit our website and search Wellness. The Center for Counseling and Wellness Services welcomes you to the Gloucester campus of Rowan College of South Jersey. College is an exciting time and presents new experiences. However, it can also be a time when students feel stressed, anxious, or experience other emotional or psychological challenges. The Center for Counseling and Wellness Services offers a safe and judgment-free environment. Services include solution-focused brief treatment counseling, advocacy, and referrals to appropriate campus and/or community resources, including referrals for the campus-based food pantry, Roadrunners Refuel. Free workshops and an annual health and wellness fair are also presented by mental health professionals. These workshops are offered to help students learn about stressors and how to manage life's challenges. Topics include time management, stress and anxiety coping strategies, depression and suicide prevention, substance abuse, and naloxone or Narcan training. To contact Dr. Lawson Burdell, Director of Counseling and Wellness Services, call 856-464-5236 or email her at llawsonb@rcsj.edu. Students can visit the Wellness Center on the Cumberland campus to discuss a wide range of difficulties, anything from issues with test anxiety, sleep disruption, life transitions, relationship issues, and stress. The staff can also provide clinical support for mental health concerns such as depression or anxiety. The Wellness Center also connects students to campus and community resources for issues such as homelessness, substance abuse services, energy assistance, child care help, domestic violence help, and access to health insurance. Additionally, if you or a classmate struggles with food insecurity, the Wellness Center can link students to Got Food, our campus's answer to fighting student hunger. These services are free to all part-time and full-time students and are offered with the confidentiality and professionalism you would receive at any mental health treatment center. Finally, the Wellness Center offers lots of free on-campus workshops such as yoga classes, visits with therapy dogs, Narcan trainings, advocacy events, and wellness fairs. To contact Heather Bentz, Director of Student Counseling and Wellness, or John Wojtowicz, Assistant Director of Student Counseling and Wellness, call 856-691-8600, extension 1258, or email wellness@cc.rcsj.edu. The Rowan Choice Program is a unique opportunity for students to access resources on both the Rowan College of South Jersey Gloucester and Rowan University campuses. Rowan Choice students have both an advocate and a licensed clinician available to discuss any challenges, concerns, or stressors that are affecting their daily routines. Staff can provide support toward a student's personal, academic, and professional goals. Services include one-on-one sessions, case management, off-campus resource referrals, and social service resources such as food insecurity, childcare, pregnancy and parenting, non-campus housing, and gender-based violence advocacy. Rowan Choice students have access to Roadrunners Refuel, the on-campus food pantry on the Rowan College of South Jersey Gloucester campus, as well as The Shop on the Rowan University campus. Appointments are available on the Rowan College of South Jersey Gloucester campus and on the Rowan University campus. Various workshops are offered on both campuses to connect students with their peers. The most recent programming series included discussion topics such as healthy relationships, consent, and how to stress less. Staff also collaborate with the Wellness Center at Rowan University to ensure each student has access to resources aligned with their individual needs. To contact Diane Mussolini, Director of Behavioral Services, call 856 494-5665 or email dmusoli@rcsj.edu. To contact Kristen Wilson, Student Empowerment Administrator, call 856-494-5688 or email kwilso22@rcsj.edu. We recognize that college can be both an exciting and stressful time. Our hope is to provide a space to overcome any hurdles, to highlight your strengths, and to learn skills that facilitate personal growth, allowing you to achieve success. We look forward to meeting you